Nearly 30 years after his death, the body of Spanish artist Salvador Dali is to be exhumed to allow DNA tests in a paternity case. A Spanish tarot card reader, Maria Pilar Abel Martinez, claims she's the only biological daughter Dali had. Anne Barker reports.
He was famous for his surrealist art, his long waxed moustache and his outrageous behaviour, not least of which his habit of baptising new paintings by throwing water at them, much to the delight of spectators. But it was Salvador Dali's exploits in 1955 that are now the subject of a paternity case in Madrid. That was the year he drove to Paris in a white Rolls-Royce stuffed to the roof with cauliflowers, and the same year he allegedly had an affair with a maid, Antonia. Dali was married at the time, but he and his wife Gala had no children of their own. The affair apparently led to a daughter, Maria Pilar Abel Martinez, born in Girona the following year, and now a tarot card reader in her 60s.
Y después lo que venga.
I think I have the right to know the truth, she says. Maria Martinez says all her life her mother has told her she was Salvador Dali's daughter. 2 years ago she sued Spain's Ministry of Finance as the trustee of Dali's estate and the Gala Dali Foundation set up to administer it to prove her case.
Primero, perdona, saber quién soy.
The first thing is to know who I am, she says. Secondly, to give to the little breath that my mother has left in her a little satisfaction. Now, a Spanish court has ordered the exhumation of Dali's remains, buried at Figueres, not far from where Maria Martinez was born. The judge said tests with DNA from Dali's embalmed body are necessary because there are no other existing biological remains with which to make a genetic comparison. If there's a match, Ms Martinez could take Dali as her own name and pursue further legal action to claim her rights over Dali's work and property, which local laws suggest could amount to 25% of his estate. But she denies she's after monetary gain. If I'd wanted money, I could have charged for all the interviews I've given. I've never charged anything, she says. The Gala Dali Foundation, named after Salvador Dali's wife, has vowed to fight the decision, saying in a statement,
"The Dali Foundation is preparing an appeal to oppose this exhumation. That will be lodged in the coming days. Our internal legal team are working on the appeal in coordination with the State Attorney."
Though a lawyer for Ms Martinez says an appeal won't necessarily stop the exhumation from going ahead, especially given the first hearing in the appeal isn't scheduled till September. Ms Martinez says despite her powers as a tarot card reader, only a DNA test will prove her case. I can feel things, know things, things that come out from inside me, she says, but the only thing that can dictate if I'm the daughter of Salvador Dali, rest in peace, is my DNA, an exhumation. Now it all depends on the judge. So convinced is she that she's Salvador Dali's daughter, Ms Martinez once told a Spanish newspaper, "The only thing I'm missing is a moustache." Exhumation of Dali's body could begin as early as next month.
Anne Barker reporting.